Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously we have done many of the things related to JavaScript and we have covered up many of the videos in parts of JavaScript in which we have built different projects. So I'll be telling you today's project is of accessing form elements, and we will be building an amazing project using this amazing accessing form elements, and I'll be telling you how to use this, how to build a project using this amazing accessing form elements. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to build this project. And if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell for which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future which will be helpful for you, and I hope you'll be understanding and learning things from that video also, like you are understanding and learning things from this video. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to use this accessing form elements in project and how to build a project using this amazing accessing form elements in JavaScript. But remember to share this video so more people can learn, and hit notification bell for which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Also subscribe on this channel so you can see all the previous and the future videos which I'll be uploading, and also hit a like. So just now we'll be starting and see how to build project using this accessing form elements in JavaScript. So just like I've told you, we'll be just building the project of accessing form elements, and we will be building an amazing currency converter by using this amazing accessing form element. So now we'll be starting to build our currency converter app using this amazing accessing form element. So for building this, I will be opening my VS Code. So you can see I've opened this. Now when you've opened this, here I will be closing all these files and I will be directly opening folder through my desktop currency converter. You can see this is our folder. Here I'll be pressing select folder to open this. This is our main file. So here I will be moving in the main file. Then I will be now erasing all this stuff from my main file. Now when you've written this, you have to just move here, and then from here also, then here I will be also removing these all stuff. So you can see we are getting all these things. Now when you're getting these all stuff, here I will be now just removing these all things from here also. Then press Ctrl B to close the side panel. Here you have to open it in your default Google Chrome browser. So you can see this is our currency converter project and this is our Google Chrome browser. Here I've opened. Now we are getting it. So here I'll be doing it side by side. Coding side should be at the left, and at the right we will be getting our interface side which we are building. So here I will be now writing div class wrapper, because when I'm just building, so here I just write the class of wrapper. Then here I'll be writing currency converter here like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing form. Then you have to write action like this. Then write div class, and here I'll be writing amount. Then you have to move down, right here p tag, and right here enter amount like this in the currency converter. Then here I'll be writing input type text, right here value 1. Then here you have to write div class and right here drop list. Then I will be just writing div class, and here I'll be writing from. Then you have to write here p tag from like this. Then when you've written this thing, right here div class, here I'll be writing select box. Then right here image https:/flex. So here I'll be writing flexcdn.com/48x36/us.png. Now here you have to just do one thing. Here I'll be moving right here select tag. Then here I will be removing this name and id from directly here. So when you just done with these all things, I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be moving down after this tag, right here div class icon. Then here you have to write I tag class. Then here I will be writing fa exchange. So here I'll be writing exchange dash alt. Now here when you've written this thing, just here you have to write div class 2 save. Then you have to reload. So you can see now we are getting all this stuff here. So when you are getting this, here I'll be writing p tag right here 2. Then right here div class, and then here you have to write select box like this. Here I will be writing image https:/flag. Then here I'll be writing cdn.com/48x36. Then I'll be writing /np.png. Now when you've written these all stuff, here I will be now just again writing select tag. So here I will be moving right here select tag. So here you have to now write this. Here you have to remove this name and id from here, because here we will be not needing. Right here div class again. Then I will be writing exchange rate. Then I will be just writing here getting exchange rate like this. Then when you've written this, here I will be writing button, and in button I will be just writing get exchange Then here I will be now just writing get exchange rate like this. Save this thing. Then you have to just do one thing after this. Here I will be now moving down, and after moving down you have to just write script tag. Then here after this script you have to just now write a tag here which should be like script. Then here I will be writing source js slash country list.js. Then here I will be writing script, and then right here source js slash, then I'll be writing script.js. Give space from here also. Save this, reload. You can see we are getting all this thing. Now when you're getting this, there are different countries which we have put. So here, now when you're getting all this stuff here, I will be moving to this file to make it more good looking. So when you've written this, here I will be moving down. Right here margin 0. Right here padding 0. Then here you have to write box sizing, and in box sizing I will be writing border box. Right here font family Poppins like this. Right here comma sans serif. Then right here body. In body here I will be writing display flex. Then right here align items center. So here I will be writing. Then right here justify content which should be center. Now you have to write here min height which should be 100 vh. Then I will be writing padding 0 10 pixel, and then you have to write background 675 AFE. Now here you have to just move down. Right here selection color white, and then right here background which should be 675 AFE. Then here you have to move down. Right here wrapper width which should be 370 pixel. Right here padding 30 pixel, and then here you have to write border radius. Right here 7 pixel. Then I will be writing background white, and here I will be writing box shadow 7 pixel 7 pixel 20 pixel, and then right here RGBA 0 0. Then here I'll be writing 0.05. Now when you've written all this stuff here, you have to now just move down after this. Right here wrapper header. Right here font size 28. Then I'll be writing font weight 500. Now here I'll be writing text align center. Then I'll be writing wrapper form. Right here margin 40 pixel 0 20 pixel 0. Then I'll be writing form. So here I'll be writing form like this. Then I'll be writing where input. Right here select button. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing width 100%. Right here outline none. Then right here border radius, and then right here 5 pixel. Right here border none. Then I will be writing here form p tag. Then here I will be just now writing font size 18 pixel. Right here margin bottom which should be 5 pixels. So here I will be writing form input. Then I'll be writing here height 50 pixel. Then right here font size 17 pixel. Then right here padding which should be 0 15 pixel. Save, reload. So you can see now it is styling here. So when you're getting all this stuff here, I will be moving, and after moving here I will be writing border, and then right here one pix solid, and I'll be writing here 999. Here you have to move down. Right here form input. Right here focus like this, and then right here padding which should be 0 14 pixel, and then right here border which should be 2 pixel solid. Then I'll be writing 675 AFE. Then right here form dot drop list, and then I will be just now writing here display flex. Now you have to write here margin top which should be 20 pixel. Right here align items. Then I will be writing here in center. Right justify content which should be space between. Then I will be writing dot drop list, and here I will be writing dot select box. Here I will be now just writing display flex. Right here width which should be 115 pixel. Right here height 45 pixel like this. Then I will be just writing align items center. Then right here border radius it should be 5 pixel. Right here justify content center. Then I will be writing here border 1 pix solid. Then here I will be writing 999. Here you have to move down. After moving down here you have to write dot select box. Right here image. then right max width 21 pixel, right here select box, right here select, then right here width auto, right here font size. So here I'll be writing 16 pixel, right here background null, and then right margin 0, 5 pixel, or you can say minus 5, then I'll be writing 0, 5 pixel. Right here select box, right select, and here I'll be writing dash webkit dash scroll bar like this. Then here I will be writing width 8 pixel, then here I will be writing select box again, then right here select, and then here I'll be writing dash webkit dash scroll bar. Here I'll be writing track, then right here background white. Here you have to write dot select box, then here I will be writing select, and here you have to write webkit dash right here scroll bar, and then right here thumb. Here you have to write background, which should be 888, right here border radius. So here I will be now writing border radius 8 pixel, right here border right, which will be 2 pixel solid. Then here I will be now just writing here white, right here drop list, then I will be writing icon, right here cursor pointer. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing here margin top, which will be 30 pixel. Now here I will be writing font size 22 pixel, right here form exchange, then right here exchange rate font size. So here I will be writing font size 17 pixel. So here I will be writing this, right here margin 20 pixel, 0, 30 pixel. Then here I will be writing form button, then I will be writing height, which should be 52 pixel, right here color white, then I will be writing font size, which should be like 17 pixel, right here cursor pointer, then right here background, which should be 675 AFE, then here you have to move down, and then right here transition, which should be 0.3 as ease. Then here I will be writing form button, here you have to write hover, right here background, which should be 4534 FE. Save this, then reload. So now you can see we are just getting all this stuff if I show you. So when you're getting this, if I change into any other amount, you can see there are many of the things you can change to USD from NPR. So if I just change USD to any other like this one, so if you enter your amount here, so you can see if I enter my amount like this, so it will be now working here. So now when you're getting all this stuff, you can see now we are just getting these all things. So now here for working this amount, you have to just now move in this tag, and you can see we have just written all this stuff. So here I will be now moving, then here when you've written all this stuff, here I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be now just moving in this tag. Now here you have to reload like this, and then when you're getting all this stuff, here I will be moving in this tag. Then after moving here, you have to just move in this file here like this thing. Then when you've written all this stuff, here you have to move, and after moving here you have to now save this again. So here I will be now saving it again like this. So you can see we have just written these all things, then here you have to reload. So here we are getting all this stuff, but you can see we are just getting these all things here perfectly. So here if I zoom in now, if I enter any amount here like this, press get exchange rate, so you will be now getting it. So you can change into any other amount also here like this, and then you can press get exchange rate to press to get the exchange rate. Here you can see there is the things, and there is the files here from which we will be working with, and these are the country list which we are getting. Here you can write any of the amount to just get your exchange rate down. So here you will be now getting it. You can change into any of country from any other country. So here you can just do that. So this was the thing here which I want to show you, and this was our project here which we have built. You can see, so this is our currency converter. You can enter your amount, you can just enter these all like things, your country and all these things. Then when you'll be pressing get exchange rate, you will be getting the rate down. So this was our currency converter app which we have built using amazing this amazing tag in JavaScript, and I hope you understand this video. of accessing form elements, and we have built currency converter app using this amazing accessing form elements. And if you understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos, and also share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. So just tell me, meet you next project. So for today, goodbye.